everyone, thank you for joining me today. My name is Olivia and I will be showing you my VR Lab 1, Small City. So here I'm going to press play in the game. So we're going to see the first person controller that I implemented. The sign on the right says Welcome to VR 2024. Okay, you're going to see the 4 traffic lights and intersection with light sources. You're going to see the 2 streets with a traffic intersection. You're going to see that the building has a texture. Ground with texture. You're going to see the zoo and the fountain right over here. I downloaded assets for the animals that had animations included, which was really nice. And now we're going to walk closer to the park over here. See a little food stand. You're going to see a bus stop over there. It's going to be next to a house. A little car over there as well with a character. Okay, now you're going to see the view of the Skybox, a little bit of that Starry Night vibe in there. Walk a little bit closer to the park one more time, and we're going to zoom into where the little birdie is playing on the playground. Okay, and that's pretty much my city that I have to show you. Thank you very much.